In today's society, it is not uncommon for kids to have jobs, whether mowing their neighbors' lawns or helping with a family business. This list is packed with fun ideas to encourage your child's entrepreneurial development. If nothing else, these activities inspire kids to pursue new hobbies and discover their hidden talents. Number 1. Have a lemonade stand. Selling lemonade is a classic summertime activity for kids. You only need a pitcher of lemonade, cups, and a table. Set up your stand near a park or playground. Then start selling. Number 2. Sell unwanted clothes online. Do you have any old clothes you don't wear anymore? Sell them online. All you need to do is create an account, list your items for sale, and wait for someone to buy them. There are several different websites and apps that you can use to do this, such as Poshmark and ThreadUp. Before selling stuff online, take quality photos of your clothes. This will make them more likely to sell. Selling clothes online is a great way to make money if you have many unwanted items in your closet. It's also a convenient way to do it, as you can list and ship your items all from the comfort of your own home. Number 3. Chores around the house or neighborhood. Doing chores is another excellent way to make money as a kid. You can offer your services to family and friends or even start your own business. Some ideas for chores include lawn mowing, dog walking, leaf raking, snow shoveling, and washing cars. To get started, simply talk to the people in your life and see if they need help with anything. If they do, offer to do it for them in exchange for payment. You can also post flyers around your neighborhood or place an ad online. Just be sure that you are clear about your rates and what services you are offering. Chores are a great way to make money because they are usually one-time jobs. This means you can do them as you have time and don't have to commit to a long-term gig. Plus, chores are a great way to teach kids the value of hard work and responsibility. Number 4. Tutor other kids. If you're a straight-A student, you can make money by tutoring other kids. There are always parents out there looking for extra help for their children. Let your parents and neighbors know you are available to tutor to get started. You can also put up flyers around your town or place an ad online. Tutoring is a great way to make money because you can set your own hours and rates. Plus, it's a flexible gig you can do around your school schedule. Also, tutoring is a great way to give back. You can help others learn and support them in reaching their academic goals. Number 5. Help out with a garage sale. If your family is having a garage sale, offer to help out. Garage sales are a great way to make some quick money. You can price items, set up the sale, and even run the register. Garage sales are also an excellent opportunity to declutter your home and eliminate unwanted items. So, it's a win-win. Number 6. Walk the neighbor's dogs. If you love animals, this is the perfect gig for you. Offer to walk your neighbor's dogs for a fee. Dog walking is a great way to get some exercise and make money simultaneously. To get started, talk to your neighbors and see if they need help. You can also post flyers around your neighborhood or place an ad online. Number 7. Babysit. Babysitting is another excellent way to make money. You can offer your services to family and friends or sign up with a babysitting agency. Let your parents and neighbors know you are available to babysit to get started. You can also put up flyers around your town or place an ad online. Babysitting is a great way to make money because you can set your own hours and rates. Plus, it's a flexible gig you can do around your school schedule. Number 8. Wash your parents' cars. Washing your parents' car is a great way to make some extra money. You can wash their vehicles weekly or even on special occasions. Talk to your parents and see if they need help washing their car. As a bonus, ask the neighbors to see if any of them need their cars washed. Number 9. Cultivate a garden and sell your fruits veggies. If you have a green thumb, put it to use and start a garden. You can grow fruits, vegetables, flowers, or whatever you'd like. Once your garden is in full swing, you can sell your produce at the farmer's market or to neighbors. Number 10. Sell your old toys. Do you have old toys that you no longer use? If so, sell them and make some quick cash. You can sell your toys online or have a garage sale. Selling old toys is a great way to declutter your home and eliminate unwanted items. Plus, it's a great way to make money. Number 11. Make and sell tie-dye t-shirts. Tie-dye is all the rage, so why not make and sell tie-dye t-shirts? You can make your own shirts or buy them in bulk and then sell them for a profit. Create your designs and then market your shirts to family and friends. You can also sell them online or at local craft fairs. Number 12. Create and sell art. If you're creative, use your talents and create art. You can sell your art online, or you can sell it in person at local craft fairs. There are all sorts of things you can make and sell, including paintings, sculptures, jewelry, pottery, and more. So get creative and start making some money. Number 13. Pet sitting for family, friends, and neighbors. Do you love animals? If so, offer to pet sit for family, friends, and neighbors. Pet sitting is a great way to make money and spend quality time with furry friends. Let your parents and neighbors know that you are available to pet sit. You can also put up flyers around your town or place an ad online. Number 14. Start a YouTube channel. Do you have a passion or hobby that you love? If so, start a YouTube channel and share your talents with the world. You can make videos on anything you'd like, from cooking and baking to gaming and makeup. Create an account and start making videos. Once you have a following, you can start monetizing your videos with ads. You can also sell products or services through your channel. Number 15. If you have chickens, sell eggs. Do you have chickens? If so, you can sell eggs to your neighbors and make some extra cash. Selling eggs is a great way to move on extra eggs for a profit. Tell your parents and neighbors that you are selling eggs. You can even take them to the local farmer's market and sell them there. Number 16. Offer yard work services. If you love being outdoors, offer yard work services to your family, friends, and neighbors. You can mow lawns, rake leaves, or plant flowers. Talk to your parents and see if they need help with their yard. You can also post flyers around your neighborhood or place an ad online. Number 17. Help out at your family's business. Does your family run a business? If so, offer to help out and make some money. You can answer phones, run errands, or stock shelves. Helping out with the family business is a great way to get some experience in the workforce and make some extra cash. Plus, it's a great way to bond with your family. Number 18. Have a bake sale. Perhaps you love baking. If so, have a bake sale and sell your delicious goods. You can make all kinds of baked goods, from cookies and cakes to pies and bread. Let your parents and neighbors know that you are having a bake sale. You can also put up flyers around your town or place an ad online. Number 19. Offer housekeeping services. Do you keep your room neat and tidy? If so, you can do the same for others. Offer your family, friends, and neighbors housekeeping services. You can do things like vacuum, dust, or wash windows. Giving housekeeping services is a great way to make extra cash and help out around the house. Plus, it's a great way to get some exercise. Number 20. Running errands for family or neighbors. Do you like to be helpful? If so, offer to run errands for your family or neighbors. You can do things like grocery shopping, laundry, or even walking the dog. Running errands is a great way to make some extra cash and help those who are busy. Plus, it's a great way to get some exercise. Number 21. Help with hanging flyers for events. Hanging flyers is such an easy thing to do. You could even do it while walking the dog. Offer to help with hanging flyers for events. Helping to hang flyers is a great way to make extra cash and help your community. Talk to your parents and see if they need help with hanging flyers. You can also post flyers around your neighborhood or place an ad online. Number 22. Have a book fair and sell old books. Do you have a lot of old books? If so, have a book fair and sell them. A book fair is a great way to make extra cash and eliminate unwanted books. Let your parents and neighbors know that you will host a book fair. You can also put up flyers around your town or place an ad online. Number 23. Teach music lessons. Do you play an instrument? If so, offer to give music lessons to your family and friends. Providing music lessons is a great way to make some extra cash and share your talents with others. Let your parents and neighbors know that you are giving music lessons. You can also put up flyers around your town or place an ad online. Final thoughts. The sooner you start, the better. The best way to start making money is to find something you love to do. Once you find your passion, the sky's the limit.